So, listen again and choose. Okay, and abay anladыңlar? Hamda manınga listen qilish yana qaytlashning imkoniyati yo'q. Hozir qanarisanlar bir tarafdan kitobinglar qarag'ach, mushlarni tanlasanglar bo'ldi. Masalan, o'qig'ach, masalan, what's the climate like in England? Sağdaşlarımız England'nınki hava kelimat qandaq. What is the climate like in England? A. It's very wet. B. It's very good. And birinchisi wet deganimiz nam degan gap, demak ko'p yomg'ir yog'adi degan gap. And it's very good. Nihoyat yaxshi. C. It's not interesting. Qiziqarli emas deydi. D. It's mild. O'yintayin illiq. But it's not always pleasant. Biroq doim adam kishiga yoqishliq emas deydi. Doim degidek. Not very good, but interesting. Ancha yaxshi emas, lekin qiziqarli deydi. So which one? A, B, C, or D? Yeah. You know, you can answer D, right? It is mild, but it's not always pleasant. Not very good, but interesting. Interesting. So read and say, answer jawab berbangla. Okay. So where does Jim come from? Okay, where does Jim come from? You know, he comes from England. And which season does Jim like best? Okay, and why? Which season does Jim like best? Answer: Jim qaysi faslni eng yaxshi ko'rdi? Hamda nemishqa? Can you answer this one? Which season does Jim like best? Yeah, it's spring and summer because days long and nights are short. The days are long, nights are short. Gündüzler uzun, gecesi kısa. The sun rises early and sets late. Naydaşa, en mühim sebebi şu gecesi kısa, gündüz uzun, baldık gün çıkıdı. Kiyim batırır şunu ama. You have a long day. Good. So which season doesn't Jim like? Why not? Qaysi faslni Jim yaxshi olmaydi ekan? Who can answer? Can you answer? Come on, which season? Like about a season like spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Which season does Jim doesn't like? Like autumn and winter, because days are short and nights are long. The sun rises late and sets early. Okay. Çünkü baldo quyosh chiqadi, keyin chiqadi, baldo qanaqadan petib ketgan gap. So, language focus. Hamsa ham o'sha bugungi darsimizdagi eng muhim javharlar mishaga joylashgan. Hamsa diqqat qilinglar. Okay, the weather's often cold. Okay. Hamsa adashlar, varay qandaq? The weather's often cold in the north and how? Okay, and windy in the east. It's often wet in the west and sometimes warm in the south. Okay, endi mishariki o'sha o'rinlarni bildirgan, masalan, har xil taraflar bor, tarafning oldiga the o'sha oldi qo'shilg'ich keldi. The no article. Uning oldiga nima desanglar, in o'sha oldi qo'shilg'ichi, da. Demak, in the north, in the east, in the west, in the south. Endi bu the degan artikelning ko'rishki maqsad nima desanglar, shuningki, demak hamda shu Englandningki shimoliy sharqiy degan gap. Hamda bu davlatning ma'lum tarafini ko'rsatgachga buningki east, north, west bo'lani nima desanglar cho'ng yozilib o'tirmaydi. Demak shuningki nimasi? In the north, in the east, in the west, in the south. And the yargi in the north of England demagan bilan demagan qisqartirishida hamda shu in the north degan shuningki nimasi? Shimoliy degan gap bo'ldi. And the sun rises early and sets late. Okay. Quyosh qanda rises early. Baldu ko'tariladi and sets late. Hamda qanda qiladi? Keyin qanda qilgan gap? Padirgan gap. Shundami? Hamda buningki savol shakli bilan inkor shaklini yasab baqaylar bolalar. Masalan, the sun rises early and sets late. Bu vaqtda nima deysanglar, bu oddiy hozir zamonniki duriga yordamchi qo'ylar, duy barlab chiqqanda qanday qildi? Keyingi aslan qaytib oldi. Shunda bo'lganda nima deysanglar? Does the sun rise early, thunder, sunrise early and set late. Demak, endi mana ikkisidagi asni qanday qilib oldi? Qaytib olib dazga o'zgardi. Endi buning inkor shakli qanday deysanglar, bu yerga yordamchi fe'l duy barlab chiqar o'xshash daz bo'ladi. Bu dazni keyin natni mokkini qo'yib qo'ysak, inkor shakli bo'ldi. Demakchi the sun doesn't rise early and set late. So let's practice. Like Sophie likes ice cream. Sophie likes ice cream. Okay, and this whole shakli nima? Question, such as, does Sophie like ice cream? You know, Sophie doesn't like ice cream. Good. And that manager, you know, Justin wants a biscuit. Justin, pranik, pechina lazım ekan. Endi buni lazımmikan yoki xohlamdikan desakchi, doesni uchinchi shaxs bo'lgan ekan. Fitdan oldiga chiqamiz. Endi bu yerga does bo'lishi sababi nima desam, uchinchi shaxs. Shundami? Shu does Justin wants a biscuit? Nima inkor shakli? Justin doesn't want a biscuit. Onun qanday lazım emaskan? A biscuit lazım emaskan. So Jim comes from England. Jim comes from England. Okay. And the nima? Does Jim come from England? Nima? Jim doesn't come from England. Jim nadan kelmagan. San Englanddan qanday qilmagan? Kelmagan. Xo'sh, hamsa retell the story. Retell the story. Anis qaranglar, mushunga agishib tabaqinglar. You know, in England, the climate is, okay, the climate is, and that in England, klimat qanday ekan? Mild, but not always pleasant. Okay, and mush Englandda avarayi qanday ekan? Mild degan illiq, nima? But not always pleasant. Biroq qanday emas? Unchola kishiga unchola yiqishliq emas. In the north, the weather's okay. And the shimal tarafida, demakchi Angliyaning shimal tarafida, the weather's Englandning shimal tarafida havo qanday ekan? Often cold. Doim degidek qanday sovuq. In the east, Englandning sharqida, it's windy. In the west, what? It's often wet. Nima? Mushu. G'arbiy tarafida asosan ko'pincha yo'l yig'im bo'ladi, yo'lchilik bo'ladi deydi. Yo'l, nam. Demak, yomg'ir yog'adi. In the south, you know, it is sometimes warm. Okay, sometimes warm. You know, Jim likes what? Which season? Jim likes spring and summer. Best. Ang yaxshi ko'radigan nima? Spring and summer. Because what? Because the days are nights. How? Javob berbanglar. Kunduz qanday? Kech qanday? Because the days are short or long? Short or long? Short or long? Okay. The days are long and the nights are short. The sun rises early and sets late. Chunki quyosh boldi ko'tarildi, qanday qildi? Keyin patidi. You know, Jim doesn't like autumn and winter because the days are short and the nights are long. Okay, chunki endi bu yerda qanday desanglar, kuni qanday desanglar, qisqa, and the nights, kechalari qanday desanglar, uzun. And the sun rises late and sets early. Quyosh baldur keyin ko'tarildi, baldur patidi. You know, our climate is not very good, but it's what? It's certainly interesting. But certainly deganimiz albatta deganga, bu albatta qanday desanglar, intayin qiziqarliq. It's certainly interesting. Okay. Okay. Sağolashlar. Ama şu bugünkü 53. dersninki mazmunu müşahede yaptı. Amsa diqqətinizə bizninki keyingi dərsimizdə olsun.